This morning, a lot of people heading back to school, to work, that is. This morning, a lot of places. Wind chill values ranging from the upper teens to the low 20s once you factor in that breeze to begin the day. So, again, cold start. Today's a quiet day, though. Not a whole lot going on. We're not tracking any precipitation today. The snow chance does not move in until tonight. So Viper radar is quiet right now. We actually are going to see a little bit of that southwesterly flow that's giving us that colder wind chill this morning, but going to help warm us up close to average. I still think we stay below average, but a little closer to average than originally anticipated. Here's this Clipper system. Notice it's a little bit further south than our last couple of Clipper systems. That's a telling sign on the colder air that's going to be moving in behind it, setting the stage for what's on the way this weekend. It's going to drop light, very light accumulation, if any at all, for a lot of places, but it draws in some Arctic air by the time the weekend rolls around. That's going to set the stage for what's to come here by Sunday into Monday. So futurecast through the day, quiet. Overnight, though, here comes that rain-snow mix, eventually turning over to some snow showers by tomorrow morning. Best chance of light accumulation will be across northeast and eastern and southeastern Kentucky. That exits during the midday, but because of the timing moving in right around or just before sunrise in a lot of places, you could see some slick spots because those roads have time to cool down during the entirety of the overnight. So just be mindful of that to begin the day tomorrow. Here's some of that Arctic air to start off Saturday. We'll be in the mid to upper teens to begin the day, and then only climb into the upper 20s by the afternoon. Here's a look at what we are tracking, though, for Sunday to Monday. Precipitation moves in on Sunday, and this is likely because of that colder air to start off as snow or freezing rain, ice in some spots. Now we try to warm the temperatures up a little bit. Snow's going to stay well to the north, just straight snow there. Rain starts to move in across southern Kentucky, maybe south central Kentucky. And in between the snow to the north and the rain to the south is going to be where we're seeing that freezing rain and ice. And that's the concern for sure. We'll be watching that closely. And then on the backside of this system, even if you are seeing that rain-snow mix or the freezing rain, we're likely to see some snow accumulation on the backside of this as that cold Arctic air, true Arctic air, moves in by Monday. So here's a look at where things stand right now. Mainly snow far northern Kentucky. The greatest ice threat is between south central and portions of the northern part of the ABC 36 viewing area, mainly that rain, snow, and ice to the south. This is close to one of our textbook kind of ice setups because you've got that colder air that's already in place. You try to get this little bit of surge of warmth and moisture over top of that. That allows for that ice potential. So we'll be watching that very closely. Here's a look at what the American model is showing as that snow starts out for your Sunday. Then we change over to that rain-snow mix, sleet, or the freezing rain. And then on the backside of this system, we see that colder air moving on in and we change over to the snow. And then the frigid wind chills move in. Look at this for Tuesday morning, feeling like the low single digits, if not below zero, and definitely seeing that there by Wednesday. So we'll be watching that very closely. Make sure you're staying with the ABC 36 Storm Team for more updates. There's a look at the full 7-day forecast. Light snow on Friday, watching that winter storm threat Sunday into Monday, and then the frigid air is here Tuesday into Wednesday.